So many adventures couldn't happen today. So many songs we forgot to play. So many dreams ringing out of the blue. We'll let them come true forever young.
Alright, good morning guys. It's a Friday, baby.
Ayaw, di ba?
Bajan, how are you? Good? Alhamdulillah. Hi, Grace. Karen.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning, guys. Wow,
Sit here,
sit there. Good morning, my friend. Good morning. I have a friendly reminders to our drivers.
Ayaw, di ba?
Brother, I have friendly reminders for you. Yeah. Eyes on the road, not on the legs.
Ayaw, di ba?
Alright? Masud? Aywa.
Ayaw, di ba?
Guys, ay mga kasama natin guys, no, papasok ng duty. Kalas, guys. Alright guys, good morning. Boss Berto. Ay, Boss Berto, ayan yung naghahatid ng aming pagkain.
Nice.
We're now here in Umrah Mall, guys.
Ayaw, di ba?
Every day we're going to the Umrah Mall, yes.
Just come from my house.
Yes, alright. It's a Friday, baby.
It's no fun the way
Alright, pasok naman tayo.
love for you. Need your motto every time.
Ayan, pangalawang trip na natin kay Bajan. Eyes on the road, not on the legs. Focus on driving, Bajan. Ayan nga guys, enjoy the moment guys. Enjoy the moment. Still sleeping? Early in the morning. Just wake up, no bathing. Just direct going duty.
Oh no!
Today is holiday.
Ayaw, di ba?
Yes. Escobar B Music holiday, guys.
What?
It's a new year for the
Huh? New Year?
It was yesterday.
Muharram, pas
It was yesterday.
yesterday, ano? Starting yesterday.
New Year pala nila,
New
guys.
year for the Muslim.
Kaya pala, guys, no traffic, guys. It's a holiday. It's a New Year day.
How much biryani later?
Yesterday.
Natatakpan na my friend.
Tatakpan natin ang ating side mirrors.
I slept. Ayaw, di ba?
Yes. Guys. Hi guys. Hi. Hema. Who's another one? Chairman? Chairman, where's Chairman? Always hiding Chairman, ha?
Let me love you, Carmelita.
Guys, kabisado nyo ng aming dinadaanan. Yan ang 1034. Ito naman ang site 95. Still itching, my friend?
What?
Oh, drink more ginger shot.
No, we'll take care of me.
On your right side. Yeah, on your right side. This one single.
Look at this side.
You have no boyfriend now? Ayaw, di ba?
Ang ganda ng araw, oh. Yan. Good morning guys.
Next month.
Next month you're going there.
No!
Pasok na naman kami ng duty.
What?
Next month you
Yeah.
So you take house together.
No! My last day is Sunday.
Dito tayo sa
Wala isang gana job.
Albang
Ayaw, di ba?
Basta papunta kami ng Mirdip.
So now your husband really wants it. Very nice. Too much fit.
Okay, now too much chatting there. What
Tawagan ka na.
Yesterday you found my girlfriend?
No.
Searching
Again.
I put my number in the comment section.
Okay.
Just text me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Already.
16 to
16 to 24.
16 to 24.
The qualification.
No qualification.
Qualification.
I do everything for her. No qualification.
You're 100% single?
100%.
Sure?
And then have 5 kitten ba? 5
I'm
chicken.
single in
10
Dubai.
chicken.
Single in Dubai?
Single in Dubai.
In Kenyan?
In Kenya, too many girlfriends.
Too many girlfriends.
10 chicken na yung mga ano niya.
But this guy have already goat farm,
Goat farm, poultry farm.
poultry,
Yeah.
and camel,
Camel.
2 camel with milking section.
And donkey.
Ah, zebra? You have also zebra?
Donkey also. Donkey.
Donkey.
Is for carrying loads. You know, it's like a small horse.
Small horse.
Donkey is for tapa. We will eat.
Donkey?
You don't eat donkey.
You eat donkey? Oh, yeah. Not eating
Donkey
donkey.
is for carrying.
Zebra
luggage.
also eating?
No.
How about tiger?
No.
Ay, lion.
Could be lions.
So,
You ever seen rhino? Have you ever seen rhino?
rhino? Yeah, rhino I know. The
You
big
ever seen rhino?
one, what you call this one here?
Guys, I'm missing.
Sungay.
Baboon.
Ah, yung may ano dito.
Oh, guys. So umagang ito guys. Happy morning lang. It's a wonderful day.
So you have to stick, you know,
Guys. And
his number,
Emirates flight.
It's a
Aga tayong nakarating ngayon sa ating beauty dahil walang sasakyan sa daan.
How many years did it get?
4 years.
4 years. So who approaching you?
No, he is the one. Because my training said before is 10:54. And my permanent set is doesn't set.
Guys, ayan, nagkakaanuhan na sila dun sa likod guys. Kwentuhan na sila ng buhay-buhay nila. Storytelling.
Let's be background ka. Then, you know, 3 days I'm staying in my permanent site. Someone called me.
Yeah. Right.
Alright, that's fine.
That's
Someone
story.
call you. I'm listening to some story. Someone call you on mobile.
And then,
So guys, yun na nga guys, nawala na yung kahoy dito, tinanggal na niya.
talking English.
Pero nilagyan niya naman ng side. Eto, yan lang yung harang niya. Pero okay na rin.
Talks at 7 days. Oh, why you get my number? No, I'm just asking only what is your schedule like that. And always going in and
Guys, malapit na tayo sa side guys.
always waiting for me, giving.
Meet our new driver. Ayan, si Suhail Khan ng Pakistan. Ayan, ang ating new driver.
Very fast. Indian very fast.
Yeah, very fast. Like he said no. He said yes.
No, first. 6 months. I said yes.
6 months.
So dito na tayo sa bila natin. Ayan. For today's video guys, papasok na naman kami.
Yeah, say I tell you I like.
Ay ba?
One day I don't.
Direct brother.
Yeah.
If you like Grace, how?
If I like Grace,
Oh.
I tell him I like her immediately.
Immediately?
Yeah, on the spot. Don't need to wait 1 week.
That's why you have too much baby. Yeah.
I don't waste time.
That's my friend Masood.
Yeah.
Yes,
Take
right.
my number. Comment section.
Aywa.
Just text me.
Aywa.
What?
We have one house, one farm, goat farm,
Poultry
10
farm.
chicken.
10 chicken, zebra farm. Alright guys, good morning. Nandito na naman kami sa aming trabaho guys. Alright guys. Brother.
Brother.
Thank you brother. Thank you.
Alright,